Welcome back to Fierce Hotwood, guys. Today we're doing a little video review for the Flyby motorcycle. This is 2022 edition. When the first time I saw this, what caught my eye, I thought it was one of this motorcycles. This is a Street Stealth. I know I haven't reviewed one, so I need to review on this one too. So this is 2018 edition, nevertheless. But as I look closer, it wasn't. And I thought it was just rebadged, renamed Dutch Tomahawk, which I'll get back to it later. But nevertheless, this is 2022 edition, number 45 out of 250 from Hot Wheel Contour. 2 out of 5. Let's just open it. Seems like the engine is actually spinning. So, yes. Nice. So it does have a spinning engine. Kind of sucks that it doesn't spin when it rolls. But the designer of this was Kevin Cow. It first debuted. Sorry, guys. Well, it first debuted in 2014, and they haven't made it since 2017, I believe. And they finally brought it back. So pretty nice. I like thin wheel in the back, in the front, thick wheel, so it stands. Just like this one does have also a thick wheel or double wheel in the back than up front. So nice black color, green. Nevertheless, it more looks like a Dodge Stealth. Not Dodge Stealth, but Dodge Tomahawk. Here are some pictures. So, nevertheless, Dodge Tomahawk does have the headlights a little back in here, so they just flatten more, but it is long. And Dodge Tomahawk has 4 wheels, 2 up front. If you look at it, 2 in the back. They're side by side together. Only 9 motorcycles are built, and I believe there were $350,000 each. They're illegal, street illegal, so you can't drive them on streets. With a Dodge Viper SRT10 engine in it that puts out 500 horsepower and 525 pounds of torque. That Dodge Tomahawk was built in 2003 to 2006.